Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Anumang oras yung napanood ang video ito, welcome sa ating channel. Matuto dapat, sapagkat ang kalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan, kaya dapat itong pagyamanin at paunlarin. Ngayong oras ay pag-aralan natin is equation of a parabola part 2. So since mayroon po tayo naunang part 1, wherein in this video ay ating pag-aralan po yung conversion from standard form to general form of the parabola. Okay? And example 1. Reduce the general equation of parabola x squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 0 to standard form. Determine the vertex and the opening direction. Okay. So, ang given natin ay general equation, x squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 0. Gagawin po natin isang standard form. So, x squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 0. So, ang sunod natin gagawin ay lahat yung may x squared, yung may squared dito po sa kaliwa at lahat ng kabilang po doon sa another variable. In this case, ang y ay ilipat po natin doon sa kanan. So, that is 4y minus 4 kasi yung negative 4y, ilipat natin so maging positive 4y. Okay? Tapos yung atin pong, so ito, lipat natin dito so maging positive 4y. Itong 4 maging negative 4. Okay? Tapos, factor out natin to, itong 4y minus 4. So, ang common factor is 4. So, yun po ang magiging standard form natin. That is, x squared equals 4 times y minus 1. So, sabi to, determine the vertex and the opening direction. Ang vertex natin located at 0, 0 since wala pong kapartner ang x natin at ang k natin ay 1. Okay? So, 0, 1, sorry. Okay, 0, 1, yun po yung vertex. Ang P natin is 1 since ang 4P ay 4 lang. So, ibig sabihin, 4 divided 4 is 1. Now, it is opening upward kasi yung atin pong P value ay greater than 0. And since x squared po ito, ibig sabihin dalawang value ng x at a given value of y. So, ibig sabihin, ang atin pong parabola is opening upward. So, ang atin pong axis of symmetry ay, ibig sabihin din po ay, ito po ay vertical or parallel to the y-axis. Okay, number 2, reduce the general equation of parabola y squared minus 6y minus 8x minus 7 equals 0 to standard form. Determine the vertex in the opening direction. So, ang given natin ay general equation y squared minus 6y minus 8x minus 7 equals 0. Okay, so, ngayon po, ang gagawin natin, pagsamahin po natin yung y squared at saka yung y, tapos yung x, lipat natin sa kabilang side. So, y squared minus 6y equals 8x kasi yung ating negative 8x, lipat natin sa kabilang side. So, maging positive 8x. Yung negative 7 maging positive 7. Okay, so y squared minus 6y plus, mayroon siyang kulang para maging perfect square trinomial. So, we had to add a number to make it a perfect square trinomial. Okay. So, ang dinagdag natin is 9. Since negative 6 divide 2 ay negative 3. Negative 6 divide 2 ay negative 3. Tapos, negative 3 times negative 3 ay positive 9. So, since nagdagdag tayo ng 9 dito, ganun ang gagawin din natin sa kabila. Magdagdag tayo ng 9. So, 9, plus 9, so plus 9 din. Para balance lang ang equation. So, that is, na y minus 3, ang factor nitong y squared minus 6y plus 9 is y minus 3, yung quantity squared, since y minus 3 times y minus 3, and equals to 8x plus 16. Factor out natin ang 16, so maging, yung 8, no? Yung 8, so maging y minus 3 quantity squared equals 8, tapos matira doon sa loob ay, ang 8x divide 8 ay x na lang, 16 divide 8 ay 2, so x plus 2. Vertex natin located at negative 2, 3. Ang P natin, 4P equals 8, so therefore P is 2. opening to the right since ang P ay greater than 0 at alam natin is y squared. So, ibig sabihin, the axis of symmetry ay parallel to the x-axis. So, ito po ay opening to the right. Number 3, determine the general equation of parabola with a vertex at negative 2, 3 and the focus at 0, 3. So, dito ang hanapin natin ay general equation. So, ang vertex negative 2, 3, ang h ay negative 2, ang k ay 3. Focus natin ay 0, 3. So, ang vertex natin yan po, ang focus ay 0, 3 and that is h plus p, k. So, to find p, so ang h natin negative 2 plus p equals 0, so p is 2. Since the focus vertex lies horizontally, meaning the axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so since horizontal to, so ibig sabihin opening po to, since ang parabola natin opening to the right because ang p ay greater than 0. So ito po yung gagamitin nating equation. Y minus k quantity squared equals 4p times x minus h. So ang k ay 3. So y minus 3 quantity squared equals 4 times 2 since p is 2 times x minus negative 2. So simplify, that is y squared minus 6y plus 9. Kapag itong y minus 3 expand natin, that is y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 4 times 2, 8 and x minus negative x plus 2. So magiging 8x plus 16. Ilipat po natin si 9, itong dalawang itong 8x plus 16 sa kabilang side. So magiging y squared minus 6y plus 9 minus 8x minus 16 equals 0. So our final answer is y squared minus 6y minus 8x minus 7 equals 0. So ito po yung ating general equation. Example 4, determine the general equation of parabola if the standard form is y plus 4 quantity squared equals 4x minus 1. So yan po ang given natin. Nakagiven na po ang standard form. So ang gagawin lang po natin is to expand this one. Y plus 4 quantity squared equals 4x minus 1. So expand po natin ang y plus 4 quantity squared. That is y squared plus 8y plus 16. Since 4 times 4, 16 equals 4x minus 1. Lipat natin si 4x minus 1 sa left side. Ang matitira is 0. So y squared plus 8y minus 4x, since naging negative na to, tapos 16, tapos ito maging positive 1. So, final answer ay y squared plus 8y minus 4x plus 17 equals 0. Yun po yung ating standard form, ating general equation. Okay? Now, here is your activity to answer. I hope you learned from this video. Paki-share na rin, paki-subscribe sa mga baguhan at share na rin sa ating mga kaibigan. God bless.